your prediction that you made on 1st April 2025 that Judge Kanya Rosette will most likely not grant Dr. Kizza Besigye bail has come to pass. Since Besigye has been denied bail, what's your quick comment on this, Council?
Of course, the incompetence of the nature of the judges. More importantly, even these acting judges. Kanya is an acting judge. When you have just listened to what she wrote, and you see what she wrote in Chala Katanga is the same thing she has written in Besigye. She creates a conviction before trial. She says there are grave offenses when a person is still innocent. Besigye has never been denied bail. And the times he has gone to High Court, he has gone to High Court on offenses of terrorism, of treason and terrorism. In 2005, it was treason. In 2016, it was treason. There was also rape in 2005. In all those cases, was granted bail. So this acting judge has a problem. I had a problem with her Truwero. She has a problem. She's incompetent. And you see, I told you last time when Museveni gave her that position of vice chairperson,
Judicial Service Commission.
She thought she had reached. So I'm not so surprised, yes.
Council, what do you think should be done to ensure that Dr. Besigye is released?
We should not give up. As early as tomorrow, as early as Monday, a new bail application should be filed. Because this is nonsense. This is nonsense. It's a discretion. One judge can say it here, another one there. So let another one be filed and guys before another. You cannot say the charges are grave, but when investigation is still ongoing. Actually, that would be the reason why it should be released. Because when Justice Robo said that because Aaron Kizza's file was not yet transferred, they don't know when to be transferred. That was the reason. So you cannot say investigation is still ongoing, but at the same time say this is the reason why I'm denying bail. So I think we should file a new bail application, but also file an application maybe in human rights enforcement to quash all those illegal proceedings. You cannot pick someone from Kenya, bring him here, no tradition, no what, and then this judge is sitting as if it's no more. Because I think we should plan something bigger to have all these charges just squashed and thrown out because they are rubbish.
Okay.
Don't forget our fundraising. It's by 0701 88